Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest updates on the upcoming iPhone 17 series, and there's a lot to get excited about. We're talking new models, design changes inspired by the Apple Watch, advanced display technology, and some major upgrades that could change how we experience iPhone. First up, let's talk about Apple's new direction with the iPhone 17 lineup. Word is that the iPhone 17 Plus is not going to be part of this series. Instead, Apple is planning a fresh edition, the iPhone 17 Air. And here's the standout feature: it's rumored to have a 6.6-inch display, a screen size that no iPhone model has ever offered before. This could be Apple's move to fill the gap between the regular iPhone and Pro series, giving users a unique option in terms of size, style, and possibly price. Now, let's move on to the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, where Apple's focus on design and tech innovation gets even more interesting. Reports from a trusted source, the ELEC, suggest that Apple plans to incorporate the LTPO3 OLED display technology used in the latest Apple Watch Series 10 into the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. So what does this mean? For one, this advanced display tech allows for smoother visuals, better power efficiency, and perhaps a more vibrant screen experience. If Apple brings this to the iPhone, it could make a huge difference in both battery life and overall screen quality. Just like Apple took LTPO OLED from the Apple Watch Series 4 and applied it to the iPhone 13 series, they may be following the same path with LTPO 3 for the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. And now, here's something to really get excited about: the potential design changes for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. According to Jeff Pu, a well-known industry analyst, the Pro Max might be the first iPhone to feature metalens technology. Now, if you haven't heard of metalens before, here's a quick rundown. Unlike traditional lenses, which are curved, a metalens is a thin, flat lens with microscopic patterns etched onto it that focus light with incredible precision. This would let Apple shrink the front camera and Face ID module, allowing for a more streamlined dynamic island. The dynamic island is the interactive cutout Apple introduced with the iPhone 14 Pro, which changes size and shape to show information like notifications, music album art, or even live updates from apps like Flighty. The addition of a metalens would make the Pro Max's dynamic island even more compact and could give it a unique, next-gen look that would be exclusive to this model. So, yes, for the first time, Apple may be setting the Pro Max apart from the smaller Pro with a distinct design feature. Now, you might be wondering why Apple would bring such a change to the Pro Max alone. Well, this could be a strategic move by Apple to differentiate the Pro Max and encourage more users to opt for the larger, high-end model. Jeff Pu also noted that while these changes are highly likely, it's not confirmed that all these features will make it to the iPhone 17 series in 2025. However, his predictions have been quite accurate in the past, so there's a good chance Apple is headed in this direction. Let's recap what we know so far. The iPhone 17 Air could introduce a new screen size at 6.6 inches, and the iPhone 17 Pro series might benefit from the latest LTPO3 OLED tech, improving battery life and visual experience. And finally, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could bring a metalens, potentially making its dynamic island smaller and sleeker, a major shift in Apple's design philosophy. The anticipation for the iPhone 17 series is building, and these innovations signal that Apple is looking to make each model stand out even more. Whether it's display improvements or game-changing design upgrades, Apple seems to be focused on pushing boundaries with each release. We'll continue to bring you the latest updates on the iPhone 17 series, so stay tuned, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech news, rumors, and leaks.